What's up guys, Ryan here. So I wanted to share two valuable nuggets of information in this video to help your t-shirt business. The first one is to pay attention when a customer requests a specific t-shirt design, because you never know if that's indicative of something that other customers want. It often is. The website you see in the background was inspired by a request from a repeat customer that came through my Etsy shop, which, by the way, guys, I always talk about happy customers, positive feedback. That's how you get repeat customers and get more customers. These e-commerce websites will reward you for getting positive feedback. And this one case, this person ended up we had a lot of back and forth for the first custom shirt they wanted. Pain in my butt. Ended up being worth it because they came back to me wanting another shirt, and the shirt ended up being a tweet. And I was selling this on Etsy. I would not feel comfortable doing that on Amazon merch. And based on my research, doesn't look like you should either be selling tweets on t-shirts through merch. But on Etsy, it's just fine. And they wanted a tweet on a shirt, a specific one from a celebrity. And I said, sure. I put that together for them, put it up as a listing. Like, there's two ways you could have gone about it. I could have said, all right, just buy this listing and I'll send you the shirt you want, and sent them some other listing, because I would have gotten the money just the same. Then you can go into Printful and make the swap, and it's not hard. But one thing I learned is that, number one, Printful will not print celebrity tweets on shirts, so you can't use them to fulfill it. Well, I ended up using Gearbubble, because I've noticed through years of using Gearbubble that they are a lot more relaxed when it comes to printing questionable things on t-shirts, namely I've printed screenshots from shows as a joke for my friend's birthday. The show was I don't know if I should even say it. It was an HBO show where there was nudity involved, and I just thought it was hilarious, and they printed it, so gave it to my friend for his birthday as a joke. They'll print these tweets. I made my dad a gag gift related to a local sports team once that was close to using their, branded items, and I just did it through Gearbubble, not publicly selling it, literally just a one-off private order for a birthday gift as a joke. And they printed everything. I've never had an issue with Gearbubble, just so you guys know. So if you're looking for a reason to use Gearbubble, the main thing I'd say twofold. One, they have the most competitive coffee mug pricing when it comes to base cost and shipping, and a great selection, because you can get the color changing, you can get travel mugs, you can get white, black, 11 ounce, 15 ounce, etc. But also with t-shirt printing, they're very relaxed. And that's always nice to know. It's I use them as my backup plan if Printful won't print something. But anyways, I just wanted to also mention back to the customer. So I had so much back and forth for a minor profit margin with the initial design I made for them. But it ended up getting me a repeat sale with the second design with this tweet on the shirt. And because I created its own product listing on Etsy and I left it up, it's been available for other people to buy. Well, it just so happens that other people have been buying this shirt like crazy. Not crazy where I'm making a ton of money, but I'm getting a sale a day sometimes. And I mean, I'm not going to go spamming Etsy with different t-shirts of Kanye West's Twitter feed like you're seeing on this ttweets.com website. By the way, I don't know anything about this website. I just Googled sell tweets on t-shirts, and this came up, and I thought it was fitting for what I wanted to talk about. But yeah, I mean, I'm not telling you guys to do it either. I'm just letting you know that if a customer requests something, you may want to put it up as its own listing and leave it up, because chances are they're having trouble finding it on the internet and other people want it too. And this isn't the only time it happened. Without giving up the niche, I had it happen a second time, and this was a bunch of niches. I was not infringing at all in any way, but it was related to a popular TV show. Sometimes you just take quotes, and they wanted something that apparently didn't exist on the internet, which surprised the hell out of me. So I made it in a black text white shirt version, and then a white text black shirt version. Threw them up on Etsy, been selling like crazy. So not only did I get to make that person happy by giving them exactly what they wanted, but I'm getting all these extra sales because other people are out there wanting the same thing. So it's just something to be open to. Unfortunately, that shirt design Printful makes, so it's auto fulfillment. Whereas the tweet shirt, every time it sells, I have to go to Gearbubble and manually create the order, and then when it gets shipped out, I have to move the tracking to Etsy and mark it as complete. But it's not that big of a deal, honestly. And the base cost of Well, it's about the same actually. Base cost of t-shirts is lower in Gear Bubble, but with shipping, it ends up being about the same as like the higher base cost with cheaper dynamic shipping on Printful. So it's about the same when it comes down to price. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I thought I'd share that nugget with you guys. Hopefully it'll help your business take it, a little bit further, get a couple more consistent sales. And if you're in need of ideas, selling celebrity tweets, and also I was looking at Amazon, people are like photoshopping celebrity tweets, which I would not do because that's libelous. And it's just not a good idea to be selling tweets through Amazon merch, at least. But people are making sales selling like photoshopped tweets on Amazon merch. I don't know how they got through, because I'm willing to bet anything if I was to submit one, it would get rejected for sure. But every now and then you see that. And if you're interested in learning more about Amazon merch, like I go through the content policy in extreme depth in my Amazon merch course, which is like 95% done. I'm going to be launching it very soon. So thanks guys for checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.